Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This year I'm not gonna do an advent calendar with a ton of recipes for Christmas, but I still want to share a couple of Christmassy recipes. So today is gonna be the first one, and it's really delicious Christmassy cookies. You want to start out with some flour in a bowl. You want to add an egg to that, and then you want to add your butter. Sugar, and some lemon flavor. Now all the exact measurements are down below the video as always. You want to knead your dough until it is a nice even texture, and then you want to let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour. Here you can see what it should look like. After the fridge, you want to knead it again. And then you want to go ahead and roll it out quite thinly. Then you want to cut out little rounds. And we used a glass for that because it had the right size, but if you have matching cookie cutters, that works fine as well. And you also want to take a smaller round cookie cutter and cut out the middle of every second little cookie. Then you want to bake these with 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes. They shouldn't be too brown. You want to let them cool down, and then you want to heat up some raspberry jam, and this should get a little bit liquidy so you can get rid of the seeds. So you want to press it just through a sifter, if that's the correct term, and then you should be left with the jam without any seeds. Now you want to take your cookie, you want to spread the jam, and you want to leave a little bit more in the middle and then close it off with one of the rings. Now the trick here is to glue the kind of bottom sides together, because those will both be very flat and stick together nicely. Then you want to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top and let those settle, and then you're ready to enjoy. I really love these. They're very delicious with the lemon and the raspberry flavor. I hope you give them a try. I hope you have a delicious Christmas time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!